What is up? Welcome back to TNT Anglers. You got Tristan now.
Hi.
So right now we're kind of... What? Very wavy. Yeah, a boat kind of just went by us. So right now I'm using a new little thing that my dad got me. It's a Whopper Plopper. Bone white. If you don't know what bone white is, it's kind of like a yellowish, whitish color. But right now I'm going to use a dinger to see what I can find. And then kind of towards off over there, I'm going to plan on using the Whopper Plopper. So hopefully we catch something. Tristan, what are you using?
I'm using a Crappie Crank Bait, and then I'm going to use that bone white Whopper Plopper.
Yeah. So let's see what happens. What are you using, Dad?
Huh?
What are you using?
Blade bait.
You got one too, Tristan?
Oh, no. Well.
No, you got something.
What one? Oh.
Is that blue? What is that?
It's a crappie.
Oh, it looks like a bluegill from here.
You want it? Are you keeping them? Oh.
Do I need to start recording, or are you guys done? I'm just waiting for you guys to go bang, bang, back to back. What color is the spinner?
Huh?
Color is it?
It's a blade bait.
Oh, that's a spinner. Did you just snag that?
I think I'm going to jig for them. They're right under us, dude. Like right here. Yeah.
Did you just... What happened? What happened?
I went like this.
And it just took off with it?
Yeah.
If you actually get one right now, I'm actually really shocked.
That's a bluegill. Are you keeping bluegill? Big enough.
Crappie Crank Bait, huh?
Don't mind me.
What color is a Crappie Crank Bait?
What?
What color is it?
Black and silver.
The best kind they have.
I have a blue and silver one I haven't tried yet, but...
Hey Dad, which one do you recommend? Blue or silver or black or silver?
Depends. Clear blue day, I would recommend the black and silver. If it was overcast, I would recommend the blue and silver.
It's a nice size crappie, Tristan.
Oh, dude, it's barely on there.
They have soft mouths. It's like paper. They will easily rip. Need help? You got it.
I'll let him do that. It's near the eye. I ain't doing that.
Here, I'll do it.
Yeah, you want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't do eyeballs, man. Go ahead and start keeping them in your kayak, Tessa, if you're that close to it.
Alright. Here, I'm gonna roll over here. Want me?
He's a pretty feisty one, man. He ain't moving right now, but he will. Yeah, I can.
It's a nice. I can feel the tension up after you do it. Oh, I'll put them again. Ow. I don't know where. Will it just come off? Did you get it or did it come off?
What?
Did you get it or did it come off?
I got it.
Oh.
Got another one. Oh, you got one too?
On the Whopper Plopper, bone white.
Oh, dude, that thing.
Okay, hang on, I'm coming.
Come on, dude.
If y'all don't know where I'm at my home lake right now. Just fishing in the back. It's kind of so freaking pretty though. Okay, you got it?
Almost. Trying to not hook myself in the process.
People stop texting me.
Okay, got it.
You got it? It's a nice little...
Dude, I didn't even hear anything. I was like looking over here,
It
and all of
slurped
a
it?
sudden, I just felt weight on it. I was like, oh.
Fish. Oh, show them the kind of Whopper Plopper we're using. Bone white.
It's a little bit different than yours.
That's a wider one, and I have like a little skinny tube one. Crane.
You good, bro?
Alright, say what you just caught it on.
Chatterbait.
Like I said, he's a chatterbait king. One cast, and he like just nailed it.
I'm like losing my pole.
One flipping cast. He's like, no doubt in my mind. Next to 5 seconds later, bam.
Oh my god. Come on. Jeez. Thick lips. Oh my god.
What?
I can't get it.
Need help? Hey, you got it.
Look at that, buddy. Okay, you ain't getting help like that. But yeah, he's a nice one. Oh man, I got weeds.
Got weeds. Sorry, sucker.
What are you doing?
See if you catch another one.
Don't jinx it.
I don't have any wood to knock on. Sorry, pal. The flip took off right there.
Oh man.
Had a hit. So, what did you catch it on?
That chatterbait right there.
I'll run right into it. I'm good. Okay.
It's a green and white with like a grayish with a little bit of sparkles.
Wait, I want to see it in the water. If
Oh,
that,
you want to see? Okay.
that'd be kind of cool.
Through here. Oh man.
Oh boy.
Here we go. Oh crap. Oh, I didn't know it would come in that clear on your phone. Hang on, let me get one.
Oh, it's kind of cool.
It works good.
That's unreliable right there.
That's all reliable, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Wait, it's not centered. I need to get it centered. Okay, be good. Let's go. Alright, we shall continue.
I don't even know what I was gonna say.
Oh.
I don't know. I was talking about how chatterbaits are amazing.
Dude, one freaking. Why'd it turn?
What was it looking at? The cup holder?
What? No, like it vibrated and like went sideways. That's why I don't want people. That's why I don't want people to text me. Ah!
Oh, kind of lean it. Did you lean it?
Yes. Okay. Chatterbaits. What's your opinion?
My opinion?
Yeah.
They're the best.
He's a chatterbait freaking king.
I don't care what time of year it is. I'll catch a fish on it.
I
Only
can
thing
catch.
I can catch a fish on.
I can't catch anything on a dang
I ain't no
freaking
jig
chatterbait.
person either, because I went around Fort Mitchell and didn't catch a dang thing.
But there's Dad catching a freaking 8-pound bass, a freaking huge pike.
I think that's his signature thing is jigs. I
Yeah.
think he even admitted it to me one day. His jigs, I'm like, nah, no, bro. I'm a chatterbait guy.
I just love how Dad's like, chatterbaits, you're just so cool. Like, you not catch anything on them. And then you're over here like catching like freaking bass on them.
Man.
But
Gosh, I wish he was back here. I
you
would've,
just hit a leaf, like, and did a full-on rollover in your head.
what?
There was like a big old pile of leaves right there. You hit it, it just went flying over your head.
Really?
I'm surprised you didn't see it. Water didn't drip on you.
No? Let's see, then.
He was funny.
Yeah, that,
Is that my
right
dad?
there that I just hooked that fish on.
Oh, where'd they go?
Who's that?
My dad.
Wait, what are we looking at?
The car.
Oh, the vehicle?
Yeah.
I'm blind, I can't see. Especially this time of day. Yeah, that chatterbait I just used, we got like the tackle store a couple days ago. I didn't want to get it because it was kind of much for a chatterbait, but then Dad was like, that's a good chatterbait, I'd get that. And I was like, okay, fine, I'll get it. It's $10, that's why I was kind of considering it. Well, dude, you know that long minnow thing I have?
Yeah.
Okay, they got some there. It's got like a matte finish on it, and they're $25. Same exact thing, but they're $25.
What the fuck was that?
Dude, I don't know, but none better scare me this time.
So we were out in the kayak in the middle of night. Okay. We were gar fishing.
Just chilling, man.
And all of a sudden, we were just like relaxing, just waiting. And so something big splashed in front of our kayaks.
No, I was
and he
watching my
flipped
line.
out.
I was watching my line because it went out like 3 times in a row within 5 minutes, and I'm like, what the heck's wrong with this thing? So I was real focused, like if it took off or something. And then a bass flops in front of my kayak, and I about to jump out of it.
You know what he did? Like his legs were like straight and
My
everything.
legs bent like I was ready to jump. Where are they going? Oh, they come to get us?
Maybe.
Well, you usually don't like very good.
I know.
Well, I'm kind of lazy.
It's such a move.
He's coming to the rescue.
Oh, my hero.
Oh, dude, we're like rowing in sync. Oh, hey, go. Can you not? Oh, I'm gonna tell him. First cast on the chatter.
Let me see what he says though.
Whopper Plopper was doing decent. It was okay. It's worthy.
You alive?
Am I alive?
Yeah.
Oh, hi. Like, what do you mean I'm alive?
Good. Okay.
I can't see behind me. Is there anything there?
No,
No.
you're good.
Okay. Oh, God.